In 2018, scientists uncovered a discovery that would rewrite one of humanity's oldest assumptions. Inside an ancient British cave, a 10,000-year-old skeleton waited to tell its story. Researchers extracted his DNA, expecting a face that looked familiar. Instead, they found something astonishing. He had dark brown skin and brilliant blue eyes. That single discovery shattered a story humanity had believed for centuries. What if skin color was never a marker of identity, but simply a survival strategy? Every shade of human skin is responding to the very same sun. Out of nearly 20,000 genes in the human body, only a tiny handful determine skin color. Yet this tiny biological difference has carried enormous weight throughout history. But once you understand the science, the illusion of hierarchy begins to disappear. The sun is never neutral. Every day it gives life, and at the same time it threatens it. Ultraviolet radiation destroys folate, a nutrient essential for building DNA and supporting healthy pregnancies. Without enough folate, early human populations faced infertility and serious birth defects. But the very same sunlight triggers the production of vitamin D. Without enough vitamin D, bones become weak, immunity declines, and survival becomes far more difficult. Evolution faced a remarkable challenge. How could the human body protect folate without blocking the sunlight needed to produce vitamin D? The answer was written into human skin. Near the equator, where ultraviolet radiation is intense throughout the year, darker skin became nature's protective shield. Melanin absorbed harmful radiation before it could damage the body. Farther from the equator, where sunlight is weak for much of the year, lighter skin became an advantage. It allowed precious ultraviolet light to penetrate the skin and produce enough vitamin D to survive long winters. Then scientists uncovered another extraordinary surprise. Light skin did not evolve just once. It evolved independently in Europe and East Asia through entirely different genetic pathways. Two separate populations, thousands of miles apart, facing the same environmental challenge, arrived at nearly the same solution. Biologists call this convergent evolution. One universal law, different genetic tools, the same destination. Your skin color is not a permanent label. It is a living calibration, fine-tuned over thousands of generations, to match the intensity of sunlight where your ancestors lived. So how much does skin color really tell us about who we are? The answer is surprisingly simple. Almost nothing. Modern genetics reveals that two people from the same country can sometimes differ more genetically than two people living on opposite sides of the world. Humanity is not divided by biological walls. It is connected by an unbroken genetic continuum. More than 99.9% of our DNA is shared. Skin color is only a tiny adjustment layered onto one single human species. Think again about that ancient man from Britain, or about the incredible genetic diversity found among populations in equatorial Africa. They all point toward the same conclusion. Skin was never designed to rank people. It was designed to help them survive. Skin color is not a symbol of superiority, nor is it meaningless. It is one of evolution's most elegant engineering solutions, a biological response, carefully calibrated, to one of the most powerful forces on Earth. Long before modern genetics could explain this truth, a timeless ethical principle had already declared it. No human being possesses greater worth because of skin color or ancestry. Character, not appearance, defines true value. Centuries later, biology reached the very same conclusion. Skin is calibration, not hierarchy. It is the coding, never the character. So the next time you notice two people standing side by side with very different skin tones, remember what you are truly seeing. Not two different kinds of human beings, but one remarkable species, wearing two different answers to the exact same ancient question. How much sunlight could their ancestors afford to let in?